بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Ibrahim. The thought of verse 35 and this call, وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ رَبِّ اجْعَلْ هَٰذَا الْبَلَدَ آمِنًا. This name does not mean that Hazrat Ibrahim's commands have been stated in this surah. Rather, it is also a symbol like the names of the surahs, the surah in which Abraham, peace be upon him, is mentioned. Modern age. Style of statement are similar to the surahs of the last period of Mecca. Especially the ayat of verse 13, and Allah said, وَكَيْلَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لِرُسُلِهِمْ لَنُخْرِجَنَّكُم مِّنْ أَرْضِنَا أَوْ لَتَعُودُنَّ فِي مِلَّتِنَا أَفَأَوَيَّ عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّهُمْ لَنُهْلِكَنَّ الظَّالِمِينَ. Those who refused said to their messengers, either you have to be used in our nation, otherwise we will expel you from our country. Their clear indication is that at that time the persecution of Muslims in Mecca had reached its peak. And the people of Mecca, like the unbelieving deeds, were carried away by excommunicating the faith of their parents. That is why they were told that threat which was given to the previous works that were carried out by them. Lanoli kin Neswalaman will continue to solve the problems. And the people of faith were also given a prayer which has been given to their predecessors, saying, Naski nana kamo arda mamadam. After we destroy these oppressors, we will settle you on the earth. In the same way, it is said that this surah stops at the end of the last period of the verse. The main text and madwa were those who refused to accept the Prophet's message, and all kinds of worse tricks were being played to fail your invitation. They should be warned and warned, but in a surah, warning, reprimanding and reprimanding are more intense than the warning. The reason for this is that the right of tafim was mentioned in the earlier surahs. And despite this, the fierce resistance of the infidels was increasing day by day in wickedness and oppression.